Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install threads on PC. To install threads on the laptop, we are going to open the Microsoft Store. Next, we will search for threads and install it. After that, we can log in and use threads from here. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Another alternative is to install Threads Web. To do this, once we are in our Threads Web profile in Chrome, we will see an installation Threads Web icon in the address bar and click on it. After that, we will choose the install option. Finally, we will see how the installed Threads Web application window opens. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.